Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. I'm Dr. Bostic, the superintendent, and I'm here to shine a spotlight on some news that you can use. Today, I want to shine a spotlight on a tool called Office Lens. Office Lens is a product from Microsoft that we already have for free that you can download to your Apple or your iPhone. Once you download it, it will look just like my icon that I have on the screen. The first thing you need to do is press the icon. After pressing the icon, it'll start up, and then it has a picture of the book, and at the bottom it gives you 3 different choices, or maybe 4 depending on when the update was out, of whiteboard, document, or a business card. Well, we're going to go ahead and use this for a document. The book that we're going to try to have Office Lens read for us today, and it will help read for kids that are people who have challenges reading some of the books. We're going to try first with Patricia Polacco's Thank You, Mr. Faulkner book, and we're going to just turn to a page that has some words on there, like this one. And let's say the young person or person is struggling. You would go and you take a picture of the content, and you'll see it says processing. Once it's finished processing, press done. Once it's finished with that, then you go all the way down to where it says share to, and you go to something that says Immersive Reader. Once Immersive Reader is pressed, then it's going to begin processing all of the information that was in the book. And now it gives us something that it will read to us.
Now Trisha wanted to go to school less and less. I have a SQ throat, she'd say to her mother. Or, I have a stomachache. S dreamed more and more, and drew more and more, and she hated school.
All right. That was just a little bit of what Office Lens can do to kind of help make sure that you have a more inclusive classroom. And that's some news that you can use.